From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Hurricane season officially ends on Saturday. We've had a very busy season. Here are all the tracks for the 2024 season. As we mentioned, pretty busy. 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes. It does look like we'll remain quiet through the rest of hurricane season. National Hurricane Center indicating no tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. And that's typically what we would expect at this point in November as the activity starts to decrease as we get a little bit closer to November 30th. Now, you can have storms outside of the official times or at least the official dates, but typically you don't have a whole lot of activity once you get past November the 30th. 74 degrees yesterday. Temperatures well above what we typically would expect at this point in November. Haven't had any measurable rainfall at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport since Wednesday the 20th. No records expected to be broken today. Our record high is 83, record low 16, record rainfall there. And back in 1938, there was a trace of snow. Certainly not cold enough for anything like that, but can't rule out a small chance for a stray shower as we go into the afternoon hours. We'll keep things partly cloudy for tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures probably a little cooler tomorrow with highs in the middle 60s. Then as we do look ahead towards Wednesday night, those clouds will increase. Rain chances will increase as we go into Thursday morning, which is Thanksgiving. So showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Notice the latest run of our forecast model shows the rain kind of moving in early in the day and then kind of moving out by 11 o'clock or so. And as we mentioned, stronger cold front could produce some stronger storms. Storm Prediction Center does have all of South Carolina under a very small threat for severe weather. We'll say the earlier the front moves through, the odds of severe weather will be lower. If it comes in later in the day, then the threat for severe weather may be a touch higher. Do not expect a whole lot of rainfall over the next 7 days, maybe a quarter of an inch, with the majority of that coming on Thanksgiving. European forecast model shows that rain chance for Thursday, and then that colder, drier air spills in Friday and into the weekend. American model showing that basic idea as well. Some Thanksgiving extremes. The warmest we've ever been, 80 degrees, Thanksgiving 1985. The coldest, Thanksgiving 1970. And back in 2020, on that Thanksgiving, we did have the record rainfall for Thanksgiving, over an inch. Again, don't think we'll have any kind of records for Thanksgiving. So some things we can be thankful for. Hey, we can be thankful for the rain on Thanksgiving Day, the mild conditions. Do believe it'll be a bit breezy as that cold front does move through. So if you are traveling, it may slow you down just a little bit. But this evening, not expecting any travel problems. Some issues possible down in southern Georgia, parts of Florida. That would be tomorrow morning. That would be in association with a little bit of fog. As we look ahead towards Wednesday afternoon, as that cold front does approach, could have some slowdowns the farther you go towards the north and west. Thursday morning, as that rain and thunderstorm activity moves through, could slow you down a touch, but by Thursday afternoon, Thanksgiving afternoon, the weather should be pretty quiet. Small chance for a little bit of rain today, mainly cloudy otherwise, with high temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s, and lows tonight dropping down into the mid to low 30s for the northern half of the Midlands. It might be a touch warmer in the southern half, but as we do look ahead towards some colder air, in particular Saturday morning, we expect a widespread freeze across the Midlands, and that's going to be kind of the start of these colder temperatures. If you are heading to the South Carolina Clemson game, kickoff at noon, expecting a temperature of 46 degrees. So it is going to be chilly, but it will be mainly sunny. It won't be the coldest kickoff at Clemson. The coldest was 39 back in 1972. The warmest was 72 in 1994, and the coldest kickoff temperature for the home game for South Carolina was 44. Warmest was 74. As we look ahead towards the next 7 days, we'll have highs in the upper 60s, low 70s today, mid 60s tomorrow, low 70s on Thursday. As that cold front does move through, that cooler air starts to spill in for the weekend. Monday, looking for a temperature of 48 degrees after a morning low of possibly in the mid 20s. Myrtle Beach, pretty chilly over the weekend as well, and that's really going to be the theme all across the Palmetto State as we head into the weekend and the beginning of next week, including Greenville. A high temperature maybe around 49 on Saturday, high of 51 on Sunday, maybe 43 on Monday. So colder than normal conditions In our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're also expecting colder than normal conditions in our 8 to 10 day outlook as well. So it is going to be a lot cooler. 48 degrees on Wednesday, 51 by next Thursday. So here is that 8 to 14 day outlook I meant to say. Colder than normal conditions December 3rd through to December 9th. Drier than normal conditions as well. We're only 2 days away from Thanksgiving. Obviously, it's Thursday. Black Friday, 3 days away. And you can always follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Tuesday.